The WEP 992D-III Soldering Station is a versatile tool that combines a high-power hot air gun and a precision soldering iron, making it ideal for complex PCB and BGA component work. This station features a C245 compatible soldering iron that heats up in just 3 seconds, providing efficiency and accuracy for both SMD and general soldering tasks. Equipped with a 1,000-watt hot air rework station, it offers adjustable temperature and air volume settings, ensuring precise and rapid heating for various components. The user-friendly LCD display allows for real-time monitoring of temperature and parameters, enhancing the ease of use for both the soldering iron and hot air functions. A low wear mode automatically cools the soldering iron and hot air gun when placed in their holders, significantly extending the lifespan of the heating elements. Convenient preset and menu options, including temperature calibration and standby mode, allow users to customize their soldering experience according to their needs.